Okay, this is Kim Gates. Kim is here 2 weeks after her right robotic-assisted total knee replacement done with the Jiffy Knee procedure. Kim, you look fantastic. Just kind of tell me how you're doing in your own words, how it's been going for 2 weeks.
It's been fantastic, really, from the get-go. Not that it didn't hurt. It did hurt, but nothing like my original.
And your original one was done in Fort Wayne about 10 years ago, you said?
Yep. And it took me 10 years to get brave enough to do the other one because this, in my opinion, was horrific. But yeah, this is great. This morning at therapy, I was 0 in my straight and I had a 117-degree bend.
That's fantastic. And you're not using a cane, a walker, crutches, nothing?
No, and I was bad initially. I probably used that walker at home maybe 4 days.
Wow.
And it was just a hindrance. I felt like I was going to fall with that. So, I mean, I didn't go anywhere, but from the bed to the bathroom and whatnot, I didn't use anything.
That's pretty amazing. Do you remember how long on your other one 10 years ago you used a walker, a cane, or crutches?
A long time. I was off work 3 months with that, and it still was painful when I went back 3 months out. So, yeah.
And can we see you stand up?
Sure.
Look at that. No hands.
No hands.
No hands. And you told me earlier when you went to therapy, your surgery was Tuesday, you went to therapy Friday.
Yes.
They asked you to do that, and you were able to do that like 8 times in a row.
In 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 seconds. Yeah. She had me do it once, and then she set her timer. How many times can you do it in 30 seconds?
So you said it took you 10 years to go from this one to this one.
Yeah.
If you would have done this one, if this one hadn't been done and you just did this one, how soon would you want the other one done?
I would schedule it right away.
That's amazing.
Because, I mean, I am not taking pain medicine now except for when I go to therapy. I have because they want to push it hard. But
Yeah, I don't think anyone's saying this is a painless procedure.
No, not
it's
at all.
still a knee replacement.
Yes.
But the benefits, I think, are amazing for what patients are going through. Earlier recovery, earlier function. I mean, you feel like you can go out and do things now 2 weeks after your surgery, where with the traditional approach, very few patients can do that.
Right. It took, like I say, it took me 3 months. I had to go back to work, but it still hurt, and I've still felt limited.
Yeah.
Where this one, I feel like shortly I should be, and right now I don't have pain. It's just stiff.
A little bit of tightness still.
Yes.
You have some swelling, as you should. It's only been 2 weeks from surgery, but this looks great. You've done a great job.
Yep, thank you. You've done a great job.
Appreciate your time. Thanks,
Thank
Kelly.
you. Yep.